Hey guys, B-Boy here with another video, and let me share with you a little bit about what we've been working on here in our YugaTech studio. Okay, so ASUS reached out to us asking us to do a feature on their new ASUS ProArt Studio 16 powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU. And this is it. So I thought, why not use this laptop for us to create our own DIY smartphone tripod for our upcoming comparison video? Well, I think you're familiar with that. So before we deep dive into creating something fun, let's talk first about the ASUS ProArt StudioBook. One of the most important aspects of a content creator laptop is its display. This one is superb. This device is equipped with the world's first 16-inch 4K OLED HDR screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio that delivers 100% DCI P3 color gamut. It also has a Pantone validated and Kalman verified certifications, along with a factory calibrated screen with a VESA display HDR 500 for true black accreditation. But do take note, ASUS provided us the 4K resolution variant, but they will also have the 2.5K resolution as well. When it comes to its design and build, the case is made of a matte-coated magnesium alloy. Weighing 5.29 pounds, it's relatively compact considering that it offers military-grade durability. In addition, there's the eye-catching physical dial, called the ASUS Dial Controller. It spins with ease, but also has a satisfying feeling for tactile feedback. You can use the dial to turn up the sound or increase monitor brightness more easily than using a function keys. But to make the most of it, you really need Adobe's Creative Cloud Suite. And this is where we're going to start making a DIY smartphone mount for our upcoming Comparo videos. Yes, you heard that right! This custom-made mount has the capability to mount 3 to 4 devices at the same time. How? So of course, with the help of the ASUS ProArt Studio 16 powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU. A 3D modeling software and slicer, a 3D printer right here beside me, and other tools we have in our studio. Are you ready? So, let's get started. Okay, so first is the planning. And you can see here, this is my mock-up first design. We recently had this design of a mount. It's a rectangular type of mount. It's good for up to 4 smartphones. This is the first design. So this is the final design that I have come up with. Technically, this is, we have a brace lying around here in the studio. This is a metal bracket. For this version, I think I'll go with 3 mounts. And this is side view, so it's pointing here, and this is the smartphone. So let me show you the materials that we're going to use, and actually the first materials that I plan to use and why I scrap it and just go from scratch and create it for using a 3D printer. Here are the materials that I got from the studio, and you can see this is a Joby portable mount, but unfortunately this is for a tablet. Convert this to a phone mount. In order for me to do that is I need to add a additional 3D printed block here, so it will be shorter, because whenever I insert the smartphone here, you can see here that it is actually loose. So this is the first plan, a metal mount for the lights, and this is a grip also as well for the light. A bunch of screw for this one that I can attach this bracket. So I'll quickly assemble it for you to see final look of the grip. Alright, so here you go. As you can see, this is how it's going to look. First solution, adding a 3D printed block. And you will see that I have created it using Fusion 360. And this is the final look mount. The idea here is I will just mount it here, something like this. Now, as you can see, this works, but unfortunately, when I mount it again like this, you can see the side is actually bending. So even though I straighten this up and then push it down, yes, it's quite tight, but then whenever I shake it and then move it around, it will just loosen it up. So again, it's a fail. The good thing here is I saw in the 3D community and I just needed to modify some of its parts. So I'll show you the final process with that. Before I begin, I want to point out that if you want to utilize the full potential of this laptop, you need to update your driver to the latest version of the NVIDIA Studios. It's very easy. Just search for the GeForce Experience, go to drivers, and then check for updates. So once you've updated it, you can now start creating your designs. I am actually using a ton of softwares here, but I'll just drag it to the second screen. I have a Photoshop, I have Adobe Premiere, and then I have After Effects, Illustrator. Also have my slicer software. I have Fusion 360 here. I also have a browser here, but it's showing my CAD file. You will notice that my GPU, the performance, and it's just using just 20% of my GPU, even though I have a ton of software here. So it's really a beast of a machine. This is the file that I mentioned a while ago, and I already modified this. This is the screw. This is the basic mount. Actually, this is going to go inside here, and this is the final look. So now, once I have exported this and saved as STL file, I need to put it in my slicer software, which is once you have imported here, create the slice. So for example, here I'm going to undo. There's a slice button. When I click it, you see how fast it slices the objects. It will take me 2 hours or 2 hours and 48 minutes for me to finish these 3 objects. And again, this is based on my custom profile that I have created. I will be copying this object 3 times since I want to mount 3 smartphones on my tripod. Or hopefully less than 9 hours it will be done. And let's see how it goes. So now I'll be putting it in the 3D printer. There you have it, guys. So here is the final product that we have accomplished. This is the 3D printed DIY smartphone mount with my mini gimbal or tripod that we have in the studio. As you can see, we use different filaments to have its unique color or identity. And I have finished 3 mounts, but this can accommodate up to 4 mounts, which in our next video, you will see this in action. So again, this video is created using only this laptop, this beast of a machine. All I can say is, even though I put so many software, rendering, 3D tools, and all of the tools that I use, and it didn't even have a hiccup or any bottleneck when I'm using this laptop. And I use it all throughout this video. This whole process from brainstorming to rendering to 3D creation and up to creating all these videos. And this is in 4K as well. And you can see the ASUS ProArt Studio 16 powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU is a well-rounded laptop. If you're a creative professional looking for your next laptop, well, I can't highly recommend more this ProArt StudioBook 16. So it didn't disappoint me. All the footages that you're seeing right now are all done using only this laptop. So I didn't use any desktop or any other tools just to finish this content, and there. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to answer all of that as much as possible. Visit YugaTech.com for more tech news and reviews. And once again, I'm B-Boy. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next video.